Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I would like to apologize for not posting much last week. It's been very busy at work, and as usual, life gets in the way, etc. But there's still lots of things to do at home and at work, but I'll try my best to post and share stuff with you. So this is a bit of a late share. This is my October CraftyBonbons box, and we are now in the middle of October and I still haven't shared it, so here I am. So let's get to it. This is a autumnal theme, and I like the fact that I've got some sort of I want to say acorn, but it isn't an acorn, but it's like a pine thingy. I will save that because I know I can make something out of that. And let's open our box this month. Right. Here we are. Wow. Okay, so first we have these. It's kind of like a net lacy type thing, like a trim that you can put on your cards. So let's just, yeah, that's really pretty. And then, as you know, the boxes are all mostly personalized because we do the pre-ordering. So I always have, I've got my name, I've got a maple leaf, I've got a pumpkin, I've got a little corner thing for a journal, and these are decals or vinyl stickers. So here it is. Oh, I love that. Spicy ass. So that's just some vinyl stickers for you. This is about the collaboration or the box. So this is where you can find them. And as you know, this is a collaboration between CraftyBonbons and Bonbons Kawaii and Crafty Ali. So that's why it's called CraftyBonbons. And then you get like a corner pocket, a sticky corner pocket there, transparent. You get the instructions for your adhesive vinyls. So I'll put that together with the vinyls. Right. You get an autumnal themed washi tape. Hope you can see that. Let me see. Yep. There we go. Oh, I love this. And the washi tapes varies, I believe. But I've got a really pumpkin-y, autumny thing. Love it. And then you get these. Oh, these are interesting. I've never seen this before. Open it up. They are maple leaf shaped, but they're, I don't know whether they're wood. They look like wood. Oh, interesting. They are wood, I think. Oh wow, is carved from a wood? This is interesting. I've never seen this before. Oh, I'm smelling it now. I don't know why. Maybe you can paint it, or I'd probably leave it like that. Oh, that's really interesting. You get a packet of die cuts. Ooh. So here you have like a mushroom, lots of leaves, hedgehog, squirrel, tabs, autumnal tabs, more leaves, that's a fox, an owl, more leaves. Oh, right, that's stuck. Whoops. Right. Then you get a packet of obviously autumnal colors of buttons. Oh, squirrel nearly got lost. Then you have these cute die cuts again. Oh god, that's a very cute snail. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh, that is so sweet. That bear is so sweet. That one. A cute panda. Oh my goodness, they're so adorable. Oh, that's cute. That is so adorable. This one's adorable too. Oh my days. Oh, look at that. Great to this is great to use for when documenting, when you go pumpkin picking. And then you get another packet of bits and bobs. I think Ali calls this bits and bobs. So you get a brown envelope with a little bit of a card in there. I'm trying not to take it out because of those little bits and pieces there. But you get this one too. Oh, you can use that to make a card. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Right, what's this? Oh my days, that is so cute. More leaves. Oh my god. Right. Another bits and bobs. You've got some leaves in there, and you've got these circular things. I don't even know what they are, but whoops. Right, something has come off. They look like punched circles, but they're like 3D. Interesting. Right. Before I lose Mr. Squirrel. Right, so seem to have, okay, let's vary it. I've got a pen. And this probably is black. Is it black? Yes, it is black. That's really unique. I love it. Then you get these stickers, which is like, it's like a botanical washi stickers. There's loads of it in this packet. Oh, wow. Okay. So, there you go. They're really lovely little washi stickers. Whoops. you can make some like journal cards with it, or ephemera of some sort. Right, I love it. Huh. So you get two of each. Right, not gonna get through all of them, but you know the gist of it. That's really cute. That's like a journal. Amazing, I love it. So they're decorative stickers, but they're like autumnal or botanical, vintage botanical type thing. Put that on the side. So we get another packet of die cut. And this, oh, I love that. Hello, Autumn. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Right, you can write in here your kind of like title or something if you're making journaling. You can do that here as well. It's the same. Oh, lots of things to use for autumn and probably Halloween. Not so spooky Halloween, which is Halloween is not always the spooky side of things. I love that. I love that. And that one as well, you can kind of like write your title. And then you get says self-adhesive on the back. So self-adhesive envelope stickers, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pieces, 2 of each, not 3, can't count, what am I like. You can either use this as a journaling spot, or you can write your pen pal's address if you like letter writing. So it's pop like that. Love that little touch. And then in your box you also get some journal cards. Hello, Autumn. And they're really nice, the thick journal cards. Look, they're really nice and so luxurious in feel. It's very silky. Get a label and a tag. And this time I've asked for a A5 size again for my traveler's notebook, and this time it is plain. And then in your set you get letter writing set. Hang on a minute. So this one's very beautiful. That's that one. Oh, we've got loads of different designs. 3 designs. And 3 of each. And then we have 2 lovely envelopes. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And you get autumn napkin. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And then you get a sticker, a sheet of sticker, and this lovely card. Life is beautiful. Life is a beautiful adventure. I love it. And then last but not least are the papers. And oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is beautiful. And it's a nice thick paper again. Oh my god. Do you know what? This is another thing. This will be a nice cover for like a knitting or crochet journal. Oh wow. Then we have this one. This is just nice thick paper. This one's quite cardboardy and there's 2 sides to it. The other 3 has just got 1 side. This is lovely as well. Oh my god. Just thinking of that now for like a October daily type thing, but yeah, that would be a nice background for a journal. That's another got me nice thick paper and a honeycomb patterned one, and that's a very thick cardboard. So yeah, so that's my October CraftyBonbons box. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And I hope you like what I've shared, and I can't wait to use them for some journaling. And this one, I'm really interested how I'm gonna use this. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.